Think he's gonna do it or what?
No.
You don't think so?
What are you doing? You ready to go riding? Yeah. What do you think about this Alberta snow?
It's okay. It's like BC.
Yeah, it's still pretty good though.
Come on, bruh.
Listen to tunes. Does that make you a better rider?
This? Oh yeah. The music comes on, it's really loud and it scares the shit out of you, so you know what I mean?
You do a Bernie off the trail.
What are you doing?
I'm ready to go snowmobiling. How about you?
Morning.
Hopefully you find some really deep powder. This stuff over here is not bad.
It's okay.
Better than we've had in a few years.
Nice. I don't know if there's much of a base here though.
I don't think there is. We got a new guy today.
I am Scott.
Hey, new guy.
I'm Scott. I'm new.
Gonna have some fun. That's not the trail, bud. That's the trail's up here, man. What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there?
Hitting stumps.
What are you doing? I'm not hitting stumps. I hit them all back in that last cut block.
Good.
I'm not screwing around today.
My eyebrows need trimming.
A little bit more. Okay, let me get the gas can away now.
You guys gonna make a trail or no?
No, Fox.
Here we go.
Stick your hand in there.
Oh, that was... How old's that gas?
Brand new.
Yeah.
Whoa,
There's my eyebrows.
Perfect.
The guy's got a trail over to your snow machine. We're just waiting.
Well, Shawnee, should we do some riding today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, you polished her off. Should we go a little higher, see if we can find deeper snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do some trail riding.
Trail riding. Definitely doesn't take long for a couple guys to screw that up.
Think he's gonna do it or what?
No.
You don't think so? We got the cameras out. He's got to do it.
I like you. Come on, YouTube views. You couldn't say nothing to that.
About damn time Matt gets shit.
Oh. There we go. Woo!
Nice!
What happened?
You hit a rock, buddy! Well, good for you.
You having fun down there? I'm having fun up here. You were doing pretty good until you hit that rock. That's plenty of friction there, eh?
That's smooth, eh?
That was just glassed right off. It wasn't going so bad until I hit that. Wasn't doing too bad. I was surprised I made it as far as I did.
I was like, who's fucking going?
Right through there. I don't know where I should go to help. There we go. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah.
There, so you can. You want to go a little more so you can get below this?
Yeah, and f***ing lawn dart right into the
I can't get over that one to move. You're not gonna.
He's gonna lawn dart for sure, Chow. There's no way he's getting out of
You're
that.
fucking going over here.
He's gonna have to go down the ditch a bit.
I'm sitting on some good traction right here. Oh no! Ah!
Yes.
There was no way I was gonna get it back up.
You gotta get someone else to do lawn dart once in a while.
Lawn dart? Oh yeah, you will.
Go down here and get that left up the hill and that power line is off.
Look at that. That's about the best snow we found today.
You wanna do some hill climbing or what?
Yeah. feel it the whole way up this last little stretch. Something's not right. Something's going on with the clutches. It's not hooking up right.
That's my favorite.
I already blew a belt this year. Phaser!
Why do you think that thing up today?
Because my dad had it.